अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। डेली करंट अफेयर्स की वीडियो में मैं हूं आज आपके साथ और हम डिस्कस करेंगे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ ऑफ 13th to 21st जुलाई 2020। तो जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ होंगे करंट अफेयर्स के 13 से 21 जुलाई 2020 के, वो हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन से इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वर्ल्ड डे फॉर इंटरनेशनल जस्टिस इज़ बीइंग ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन विच डेट एनुअली? ऑप्शन ए 16th जुलाई, बी 17th जुलाई, सी 18th जुलाई, डी नन ऑफ दीज। तो इसका सही जवाब है बी 17th जुलाई। Each year, people around the world use this day to host events to promote international criminal justice, especially support for the International Criminal Court. Question number 2, where is the headquarters of International Criminal Court? Option A Paris, B Rome, C The Hague, D none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब है सी The Hague। International Criminal Court came into being on 1st July 2002. There are 123 members in the International Criminal Court। तो ये याद रखें कि उसके जो मेंबर हैं इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट के, तो ICC के मेंबर 123 हैं। There are 6 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट, और उसकी जो ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस हैं उनकी तादाद 6 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु इज़ द इनकम्बेंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट? ICC के जो मौजूदा प्रेसिडेंट है वो कौन है? ऑप्शन ए पीटर लेविस, बी रॉबर्ट फ्रेमर, सी चाइल एबियो ओसुजी, डी नन ऑफ दीज। तो इसका सही जवाब है सी। He is a Nigerian national and a judge who elected as 4th President of International Criminal Court on 11th March 2018 for the term of 3 years। तो ये याद रखें कि इसकी जो टर्म होती है वो 3 साल होती है, और जो मौजूदा प्रेसिडेंट है वो नाइजेरियन नेशनल हैं, और वो जो है 4th प्रेसिडेंट हैं ICC के, इंटरनेशनल क्रिमिनल कोर्ट। Question number 4, Kashmir Martyrs Day is being observed on which date annually? Option A 11th July, B 12th July, C 13th July, D none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब है C 13 जुलाई। This day has been observed in the remembrance of the people killed on 13th July 1931। Question number 5, World Emoji Day is being celebrated on which date annually? Option A 17th July, B 18th July, C 19th July, D none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब है A 17th July। This day is being celebrated since 2014. This day was on top trending item on Twitter on 17th July 2015। Question number 6, Nelson Mandela International Day is being celebrated on which date annually? Option A 17th July, B 18th July, C 19th July, D none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब है B 18th July। This day was established in 2010 in the honor of Nelson Mandela, as he was born on 18th July 1918। तो ये 1918 में 18 जुलाई को नेल्सन मंडेला पैदा हुए थे, तो इस दिन को नेल्सन मंडेला डे मनाया जाता है। He was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist। He served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999। He was died on 5th December 2013 in South Africa। Question number 7. International Chess Day is being celebrated on which date annually? Option A 19th July, B 20th July, C 21st July, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है बी 20th जुलाई। 20 जुलाई को दुनिया में शतरंज का आलमी दिन मनाया जाता है। This day was established in 1924 by the International Chess Foundation and proposed by UNESCO. Question number 8. Recently, the Chief Justice of Federal Shariat Court inaugurated the regional office of Federal Ombudsman in which city of Balochistan? Option A Zob, B Sibbi, C Kharan, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है सी Kharan. Muhammad Noor Miskanzai is the current Chief Justice of Federal Shariat Court who inaugurated the office on 13th July 2020. तो ये भी याद रखें कि फेडरल शरीयत कोर्ट के जो मौजूदा चीफ जस्टिस हैं वो हैं मोहम्मद नूर मिस्कानज़ई। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Which provincial assembly unanimously passed a resolution to regulate Ruat-e-Hilal by law? Option A KPK, B Sindh, C Punjab, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है A KPK. It was passed on 13 July 2020. Question number 10. According to recent survey, how many kids may never return to school after pandemic? Option A 10 million, B 15 million, C 20 million, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है A 10 million. The survey was disclosed by Save the Children on 13th July 2020. For the first time in human history, an entire generation of children globally has had their education disrupted. Question number 11. Which Pakistani-born scientist became first woman to head section at renowned Max Planck Society of Germany? Option A Samina Akhtar, B Asfa Akhtar, C Asfa Jalal, C D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है बी आसफा अख्तर। She became the first international female vice president of the biology and medicine section at Max Planck Society, Germany, which established in 1948. Question number 12. Recently, Iran dropped India from which key project of Chabahar? Option A rail project, B road project, C ship project, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब होगा ए रेल प्रोजेक्ट। Iran called off India due to delayed finances in construction of 628 kilometers Chabahar-Zahedan line, which will be extended to Zaranj across the border in Afghanistan. Question number 13. Recently, the Prime Minister of Pakistan launched the construction work of Dayamir Bhasha Dam. On which river it is located? Option A Chenab, B Jhelum, C Indus, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है C Indus. The work was launched on 15th July 2020. It is situated in Kohistan district of KP province and Dayamir district of Gilgit-Baltistan. Question number 14. UK, USA and Canada recently accused of which country for hacking coronavirus vaccine research? Option A Iran, B China, C Russia, D none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है C Russia. They accused on 17th July 2020 that the Russian hackers are targeting in their countries conducting coronavirus vaccine research. Question number 15. Kashmiris has been observed Yom-e-Ilhaq-e Pakistan Day all over the world on which date? ऑप्शन ए 19 जुलाई, बी 2 अगस्त, सी 14 सितंबर, डी नन ऑफ दीज। तो इसका सही जवाब है ए 19 जुलाई। This day is being observed in the commemoration of passing resolution of accession to Pakistan. Question number 16. In which districts of Sindh gas was discovered recently? Option A Sakhar, B Ghotki, C Jacobabad, C none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब है बी घोटकी। गैस डिस्कवरी was announced at Dhahalki district, Ghotki. Question number 17. Recently, which live streaming app was banned in Pakistan? Option A Bigo, B TikTok, C WhatsApp, D none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब है ए। The app has been banned by the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. Question number 18. Who the first Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court who passed away recently? Option A Abdul Rashid, B Sardar Muhammad Aslam, C Sardar Salahuddin, D none of these। तो इसका सही जवाब होगा बी Sardar Muhammad Aslam। He died on 20th July 2020 in Rawalpindi because of COVID-19। तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही। कल मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। रहिए हमारे साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।